Hello, my name is Solanki Deepak Pandurang. Today's topic name is Confidential Disclosure Agreement. CDA, also known as Non-Disclosure Agreement, NDA, is a legal contract between two or more parties that outline the terms and conditions for sharing confidential information. CDA are commonly used in business, research, and various other professional settings to protect sensitive proprietary information being disclosed to protect sensitive and proprietary information from being disclosed to unauthorized individual or entities. Here are the key elements of CDA. Parties. The CDA identifies the parties involved, typically referred to as disclosing party, the entity sharing confidential information, and the receiving party, the entity receiving the information. Definition of confidential information. The agreement defines what constitutes confidential information, which may include data, trade, secret, business, strategy, technical information, research finding, or any proprietary information. Obligation of the receiving party. The CDA specific that receiving party agree not disclosure or use the confidential information for the purpose of other than one outlined in the agreement. Permitted disclosure. The agreement may outline circumstances under which receiving party is allowed to share the confidential information, such as with employee or contract who need the information for the intended purpose. Duration. The CDA states the period during which the confidentiality obligation apply. It may be for a specific time frame or until certain event occur. Consequence of breach. The CDA typically specific consequence of breaching the agreement, including legal remedies, damages, or injunctive relief that may purchase by the disclosing party. Exclusion. Some CDA may include expectations such as information that is already in the public domain or information that receiving party can prove was known them prior to the agreement. Governing law. The agreement specifies the judicial and law that will govern the interpretation and enforcement of the CDA. Dispute resolution. It may outline a process of resolving dispute related to the agreement, such as through abbreviation or medication. Signature. The CDA is typically signed by authorized representative of the involved parties, acknowledgement their agreement to the term and condition. Thank you.